Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to discuss all types of models. That what are models? First of all, I will clear that what are models. Model is basically a representation and abstraction of anything such as real system, a proposed system, a futuristic system, design, an entity, a phenomenon or an idea. So you can observe the pictures that for observing these pictures you have some ideas that what are these. So there are different classification of models. Like models, we can divide it into three main categories, like mathematical models, physical models, and computer models. And if we talk about mathematical models, so again we have two types, dynamic and static models. In dynamic we have non-linear and linear, and in non-linear we again have two types, unstable and stable, and in linear we have two types, unstable and stable. And static model, again we have two types, linear and non-linear, and then stable and unstable. And in physical model we have two, dynamic and static, and computers are also having two types of model, dynamic and static. Now first of all, what are mathematical models? This is basically the one in which symbols and logic constitutes the model. The symbolism used can be a language or a mathematical notations. A simulation model is built in the terms of logic and mathematical equations and is an abstract model. In physical model, this is a smaller or larger physical copy of that object. The object being modeled may be small or large. A model of an airplane, just like a model of atom, just like a model of map, a model of globe, a model of car. These are basically the examples of physical models. So what are static models? Static models is one which describes the relationship that do not change with respect to the time. An architectural model of a house is static physical model. An equation relating to the lengths and weights on each side of the playground variation is a static mathematical model. Static computer model, which means fixed. And a dynamic model, this means that it can be changed with the passage of time. A wind tunnel is a dynamic physical model, and the equation of motion of the planet around the sun constitutes a dynamic mathematical model of the solar system. So dynamic computers usually means capable of actions and or of change. Analytical model, this is one that which is solved by using a deductive reasoning of the mathematical theory. And a linear program model, a mixed integer linear programming model, a non-linear optimization model are example of analytical models. So numerical model is one which is solved by applying computational procedures. So finding the roots of non-linear algebraic equations like fx is equal to 0. So this is using the numerical model. So what is linear model? This is basically describes the relationship between only one thing. The equation 3x plus 4z plus 1 is equal to 0. So this is a linear model. And non-linear model having more than one relationships. So the equation 2x square plus y cube minus 2 is equal to 0 is a non-linear model. Then stable model. Stable model basically a model which tends to return to its initial condition after being disturbed. So this is like a simple pendulum, that when we disturb a pendulum it again comes to its original positions. So that is called stable model. An unstable model means that which may or may not come back to its initial conditions after being disturbed. Like if you stand a book and when you disturb, so it never comes to its original positions. Steady state models. This is one whose behavior is one time period is of the same nature as any other period. And transient model, this is one whose behavior change with respect to time. Descriptive model. The descriptive model is a system that represents a relationship but does not indicate any course of action. If we write down the equation F means force is equal to m into a, means mass into acceleration. This is a descriptive model, and all simulation models are basically descriptive models. Descriptive or normative models. What are these? These are basically a system in that it prescribes the course of action that the decision maker should take to achieve are defined objective. Decision analysis models are prescriptives. Then distributed lag model. If the regression model includes not only the current but also the lag, means past values of the explanatory variables that x, it is called distributed lag model. If the model includes one or more lag values of the dependent variable among its explanatory variables, then it is called an autoaggressive model. So this model is known as dynamic model. Then Cobb-Webb model. This is an economic model, and this is model of supply and demand, and where the prices adjust so that the quantity supplied and quantity demand, these are equal, and the equilibrium is not always clear, so that some slopes are unstable. So this was all about models. Thank you very much for being with me. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.